Australia is home to the iconic and beloved koala. These cuddly creatures live in eucalyptus forests and woodlands where they find everything they need. They love the tall trees and the distinctive smell of eucalyptus leaves, which are their primary food source. Koalas are predominantly found along Australia's east coast, where the climate suits them well. This area has lots of eucalyptus trees for them to live in and thrive. Eucalyptus forests are very special places, teeming with life and biodiversity. The trees grow tall and provide much-needed shade from the hot Australian sun, creating a cool refuge. Koalas spend most of their time in these trees, moving from branch to branch. They eat, sleep, and even raise their young in the eucalyptus trees, making it their entire world. Koalas prefer certain types of eucalyptus trees which provide the best nutrition. They like the ones with the tastiest leaves, which are rich in moisture and nutrients. These leaves are not easy to eat for most animals due to their tough texture and toxins. But koalas have adapted to digest them with their unique digestive system. This makes the eucalyptus forests their perfect home, where they can live and flourish. Koalas are nocturnal animals. This means they are most active at night, when the forest comes alive with various creatures. They spend their days sleeping in the trees, often nestled comfortably in the branches. They curl up in the forks of branches. Koalas are solitary creatures by nature. This means they live alone, rarely interacting with others. They only come together to mate, which is a brief encounter. Mothers will also stay with their babies, providing care and protection. They care for them until they are old enough to be on their own, which takes several months. Why do koalas sleep so much? It's a common question. It's because of their diet, which consists mainly of eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutrition and hard to digest. It takes a lot of energy to digest them, which is why they rest so much. Sleeping helps koalas conserve their energy for essential activities. When they're not sleeping, koalas move slowly and deliberately. They might climb to a different branch to find a better spot, or they might reach for more leaves to eat, ensuring they get enough food.
Section 4. Built for climbing koala adaptations. Koalas are perfectly adapted for life in the trees. Their bodies have special features that help them climb. They have strong muscular arms and legs. Their paws are equipped with sharp claws. These claws help them grip the bark of the trees. They can even hang upside down. Koalas have 2 thumbs on each front paw. This gives them a strong grip on branches. They also have rough pads on their paws. These pads act like shoes. They provide extra grip. Even a koala's bottom is designed for climbing. They have a thick, padded rump. This acts like a cushion when they sit on branches. They can sit comfortably for long periods.
Section 5. Challenges for koalas: habitat loss, disease, and climate change. Koalas face many threats to their survival. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As humans clear land for development, koalas lose their homes. Disease is another major threat to koalas. Chlamydia is a serious bacterial infection. It can cause blindness, infertility, and even death. Climate change is also a growing concern. Rising temperatures and more frequent droughts make it harder for koalas to survive. Bushfires, made worse by climate change, have devastated koala populations. These threats have led to a decline in koala numbers. In some areas, koalas are now listed as endangered. It's important to protect these amazing creatures.
Section 6. Protecting the iconic koala conservation efforts and hope for the future. There is hope for koalas, and it comes from the dedicated efforts of many. Many people are working hard to protect them, from researchers to volunteers. Conservationists are planting trees to create new habitats, ensuring koalas have places to live and thrive. Scientists are researching ways to treat and prevent chlamydia in koalas, a disease that has severely impacted their population. They are working to develop a vaccine to protect them from this disease, which could save countless lives.
Governments and organizations are working together, pooling resources and knowledge. They want to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. This will help combat climate change and protect koalas' habitat, ensuring they have a safe place to live. Everyone can play a part in koala conservation, from young children to older adults. We can support organizations that are working to protect them through donations and volunteer work. We can also make choices to reduce our impact on the environment, like recycling and using eco-friendly products. Koalas are a national treasure, beloved by people around the world. They are an important part of Australia's biodiversity, contributing to the rich tapestry of life. By working together, we can ensure that these iconic animals have a bright future, filled with hope and possibility.